Hi guys! Alex and Owen are still sleeping, and so Lexi and I decided to go for a walk. Huh, bud? Ooh, you hear the birdies? What? What happened? You step on something? Ooh. It's a beautiful day out today. It's supposed to be 85 degrees today. Can you believe that, Lexi? It's gonna be 85 degrees today. Which way do you want to go? Do you want to go left or right? Do you want to go this way? Or do you want to go this way?
This way, far away.
You want to go this way? Okay, let's walk that way. If we walk a mile that way, we can walk to the beach. You ready to do a 1.5 mile walk? Yeah, I got a rock in my shoe. You got a rock in your shoe?
No.
You see the Scotch broom? Look. Look at this right here. This is called Scotch broom. It's like a weed. Yeah, you don't want them on your property. You okay? Shake it off. Wipe off your knee. Oh, look at that. You okay? Yeah, let's get that off. Good job. These are ferns. Yeah, see the little baby ones coming out. Go, go, go! What do you see? What is it? Look at that tree. It's called a madrona. They've become more and more rare here in the Northwest.
Look at the bird.
Yeah, that's a madrona right there. What do you say? What you doing? Look at their little baby pine trees coming up. Eventually those will become big trees.
This one?
Yeah, that's a baby pine tree.
That's one.
Evergreen tree. Yeah, touch it.
It's very small.
Is it
No, it's so soft.
soft? Yeah, because it's a baby one. Eventually they're going to be the size of those trees. See those trees right there? You see the butterfly?
Oh, right there.
Yeah, you see him? Oh, let's go see if we can catch him. Want to go see him? Oh, here he comes. Get the butterfly. Go get him, go get him. Where'd he go? Bye, butterfly. He's fast. Dude, he is cruising. You gonna get him? You're so fast. Right here. Careful, you don't want to fall on that. Owie.
Where's that one? What happened?
It's for the property line. See all the pink flags on the trees in there? Like a pink flag? You got a pink flag over here. Those are property lines for the new people coming in. She's such a goofball. Where are you going? Oh yeah, the pink flags. Yeah, see them all? They're like the color of your glasses. Yeah, another pink flag. Look at that.
Goodbye.
Bye, guys.
Let's make a video again.
You want to make a video again?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.